To fit the reusable and disposable dust bags to the machine, follow these steps. Unclip the latches and remove the lid. Place the reusable SMS dust bag into position. If using a disposable paper dust bag or an SMS dust bag for optimal filtration levels, simply place over the top of the reusable dust bag. Replace the lid. Position to the right or left depending on your preference, and secure into place by locking the clips down. To clean or replace the filter, hold and turn anti-clockwise to unlock and lift to remove. To reinsert, place the filter onto the base and twist clockwise to secure. The machine arrives with the harness attached, but if you want to clean or replace it, simply follow these steps. To detach the straps from the top and bottom of the harness, push the straps through all 4 buckles until it is released. To disconnect the padded section from the harness, the back of the harness has metal connectors on both sides. These simply turn to the sides and slot through the slit in the harness to remove. Repeat process for all 3 on both sides. The harness should now be removed. The battery machine requires 2 battery packs for operation. To install the battery packs to the vacuum unit, follow these steps. Ensure the vacuum unit power switch is in the off position. Turn the battery pack on its side, ensuring the charge level indicator is facing out. Align the guide rails on the battery holder and battery pack. Gently slide the batteries into place until you hear a click. The process is now complete and the machine is ready to operate. If you want to check the battery level during operation, you can press the blue button on the side of the battery pack. There are 4 green lights to indicate the battery is full. To remove the battery packs from the vacuum unit, follow these steps. Ensure vacuum unit power switch is in the off position. The batteries have blue release buttons at the top and bottom of the battery. To remove the battery packs from the machine, press both buttons simultaneously and pull away from the machine until they are released. Make sure you continue to hold the buttons in and slide the battery pack out of the machine.